Somebody must have done drugs on that. But somebody's asked him a question, said, your sister is amazing, isn't she?
Then suddenly you drive.
A lorry.
Suddenly you put a butter on.
Butter.
Another.
Toast.
Another.
Cracker.
A farm animal with horns.
Cow.
Suddenly you can launch.
Boat.
Suddenly you put in your tea.
Sugar.
Okay, well
Boat, that's what they want.
sorry, I'm too excited now. Just a bunch of the questions, but we have plenty of time. 60